Namaste everyone. Today we're going to see how to install Diksha app and register in it. So here first we'll see the Diksha app through your Play Store. Install it. Hardly it will take your 1 to 2 minutes to install. After installing, let's see what we're going to do. It will take a little more second. Here now after opening, you can see the first phase of this one. Now we'll choose English as our preferred language. Continue. You may choose Hindi also. As we are teacher, so we'll go for teacher. Next, we'll select our board. So here we have CBSE. After submitting, we'll get medium. It is our English, so we'll go for English. Next, you can select your corresponding classes, whichever you teach. You may select more than one class, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can go for 11, 12 also, and CPD, continuous professional development, and below 1 to 3 also you can choose. After choosing, select it, go continue. Profile updated successfully. Now you can close this one. It is not our target. Now it is not registered here. You need to select this part. After that you have to go for this one. Login is there. You go for the login first. You can go with the sign in with the Google, or you can log in with the Diksha. So it will be easy. Sign in with Google. So if you click it here, automatically it will go through. We have this one, so I can go with any one of them. So here I'll choose this part. We're getting things ready, please wait. Let's see here. Yes. Let's read it and agree here. Click the continue button. After that, go for this one. As we are totally new, so what we have to do, we need to click here, edit here. As it is already by default I have selected, so as you are from Bihar, so you can change your state. Bihar. District would be your Kishanganj. Select Kishanganj as your district, submit it here. Block will be our Kishanganj, we will go for the Kishanganj, and cluster will be your Pratap MS Kishanganj. This is our cluster, and school name it will be there. Do not select here St. GBS School Rudhasa, it is Hindi medium, so we are in English medium, so we need to select this part. Here we have. After that, submit, click it here. Profile updated successfully, but still it is not fully completed. You can see here we have little bit here also in this part, which you can see edit option is there. You can go for the edit also. Here you can change your subject also. Select your subject. CBSE training, you can go more than one subject, your choice. ICT, information communication, mathematics, whatever language you need to select subject, you can submit here. More than one subject you can submit. After that, save it. One more is there, that is submit detail. Click there, and right here I wish to share my data with CBSE, as we need to share our data with CBSE board. So, and here we have our mobile number. You can choose your mobile number, and already you can see your email address. Now we have one ID from CBSE. You need to collect it from head, collect, and here enter ID with your mobile number. Verification OTP will be asked. Submit that OTP. it will be verified. After that, use I agree button and submit it. Now you are fully registered. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.